Hello, I'm Stuart. Here in the video we will share details on low-level fatal error showing on ARK, Survival Ascended. As per our research, the error comes up during the game launch or when running, crashing the game altogether. After doing some digging, we have found that the error typically occurs when there is a system overload caused when the game is running on a high configuration. Before you go on changing or lowering your game's configuration settings, it could prove beneficial to try and fix the error by updating your game and system drivers first. This step would only help if the error is related to outdated drivers in your system, causing a compatibility issue between your system and the game application. To update drivers according to the ones installed in your system, you can follow the steps mentioned here up ahead. Visit the NVIDIA website. Enter your GPU model and download the latest drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the updates. Visit the AMD website. Select your GPU model and download the latest driver. Install the update following the prompts. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and then Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates to ensure your system is running the latest version of Windows. Once all updates are installed, restart your computer and try launching ARK again. Similar to lowering your game's configuration settings, users have reported that disabling the game's Foliage dynamic settings seems to do the trick. However, the only downside is you have no moving grass in the gameplay. To disable the Foliage dynamics, you can follow the steps shown here. Start ARK Survival Ascended. From the main menu, go to Options or Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Graphics or Advanced Settings tab. You may need to scroll down to find specific graphical options. In the Graphics settings, look for an option related to foliage quality, foliage dynamics or similar terms, such as dynamic foliage or interactive foliage. The exact naming can vary depending on the version of the game, but it should be something related to the interaction or movement of foliage in the environment. Disable or turn off the option for foliage dynamics or dynamic trees. If you don't see this exact option, you can also try reducing foliage quality or shadows, as these may influence how foliage behaves in the game. Once you've turned off the foliage dynamics, save the settings. Exit the settings menu and return to the game to see the effect. Corrupted game files can cause some errors, and the low-level fatal error can very well be one of them. If so, then verifying and repairing your game files with the following steps might help solve the error. If you are on Steam, then here is how you can repair your game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on ARK, Survival Ascended, and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically check for any corrupted files and replace them. Once the process is complete, try launching the game again. Users have also reported that the error frequently occurs when trying to open inventories in the game in a fast manner. If that is what is happening to you as well, then disabling the menu transition option inside the game should help walk around the error pretty easily. To disable menu transitions in ARK, Survival Ascended, follow these general steps. Go to Settings. From the main menu, select Options or Settings. Graphics. Settings. Look for a section related to User Interface or Menu Settings. Disable Transitions. Scroll down for an option like Disable Menu, Transitions or UI Animations, and toggle it on. Save, apply the changes and restart the game if needed. Sometimes the error occurs due to insufficient virtual memory. Increasing your virtual memory page file can help resolve the issue if the error is related to a system resource shortage. Here's how to increase your virtual memory. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Set the initial size and maximum size to a higher value, for example 1.5 times your RAM size. Click Set and then OK. After making these changes, restart your PC and try launching ARK again. If your CPU or GPU is overclocked, it could be causing instability with ARK. Survival Ascended, leading to the following error. Try disabling any overclocking settings and revert to default clock speeds to see if this resolves the issue. If you're using software like MSI Afterburner or others to overclock your hardware, reset the settings and return to factory defaults. Lowering the game configurations has proved to help quite a few users out there who can do without playing the game in absolutely high configurations. If you can manage to do the same, then lowering your game configurations to the minimum can help you smoothly run the game, if not fix the error completely. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.